This tutorial will give you a brief overview of the Media Manager in Joomla 2.6. We see we're already logged into the basic Joomla.com site, and you will find the Media Manager under Content, Media Manager. If you're using a Joomla 1.5 site, you will find the Media Manager under the Site menu. This is Joomla 2.6, so we're under the Content. Clicking on Media Manager, we're taken to the Media Manager. And here we're shown in the left-hand side the media folders, just the different folders that are in the image directory. And then over here, the files. Also, icon representing each of the subdirectories. As your site grows, you don't want to keep putting all of your images just in one directory because then it becomes, or one folder, because then it becomes really difficult to find them as you have more and more images uploaded. So you want to separate them by folders and whatever taxonomy you give them, whether it's here in the sample data. If we click on sample data folder, you'll see that there are two folders, one fruit shop, one parks, and the different pictures in those represent the different themes and different organization. Another reason that you want to put your files, your images in different folders might be for slideshows. You set up a component that draws from a slideshow that draws from a particular folder and will display only the images in that folder. That's a great way to have multiple slideshows. That's just one of the applications of folders. You see, as we've been navigating around in the Media Manager, basically it's just click on an icon and you will go into the folder that you are looking for, that you want to go into. You can even double click on the pictures and see different images, a larger thumbnail. If you want to go up to a different folder, go higher in the tree that you've been going, you can just click on this green arrow here, which will take you up one level, up another level, or as you can see, by moving over to media folders, you can click and go immediately to any particular folder. Now, before you upload your images, you may want to create some different folders. So I'm just going to go right up to the top folder here, the root. To create a folder, what you want to do is scroll down to the bottom and you'll see this field right here, which shows where you're at on the server on your hosting account. To create a folder, just pick the name. I'm going to call this one test, T-E-S-T, and then create folder. Wait a second and that folder will be created and will appear in the list, and we can then click on it to go into it. Before doing so, just let me point out in Joomla 1.5, this create folder line actually appears above the files. So if we click into test, we'll see that that folder is empty. Now comes the part where we upload images. There's no image resizing with the content, with the image manager here, the media manager here in Joomla. So you want to have your images the size that you want them to be when you upload them. Having done that, you will see here that you will scroll down where we go to the upload files menu. We choose the file, and that will open a window on our computer, and we can go and we can pick a picture to upload. It's a Coca-Cola picture. Having selected, I can double click it. Now it's all ready to be uploaded, and it will go into the directory, the folder that we are viewing here. Start upload. We wait, up it goes, and here we are. Our image is there for us to view. Now, suppose you don't want that image in that folder anymore. You can just simply click on the X, which will delete it off the system. Same holds true for folders. If you want to get rid of that test folder, just click the X, but it has to be empty, and that will disappear. So use this tool to your advantage so that the back end of your site is organized really well, separating your images in different locations, and you'll find it much easier to find them when you use them in different articles, and also for organizing them to be used in different extensions and features such as slideshows and galleries, other things like that. And that is a tour of the Media Manager in Joomla 2.6.